So I wake up in the morning and the first thing that hits on my head is to go over to my Rpk app and see the updates, since they said they're gonna share us airdrop reward for being in their community yesterday. Within 24 hours we're gonna receive it. So the first thing I saw on my account is to update my app, and then instantly I head over to my Play Store and then I update it. Then the next thing is for me to open it and head over to my account. Then I found out that I'm now having 12.5 SP. Then the next thing is for me to go ahead and check, did they actually airdrop me with the token. So as you can see, this is my SP and I just log in today and I received the reward of logging in daily. So since I've updated my app, I saw a bit of change. So the change is I saw a section that shows your XP, that is your points reward amount, and then Rpk, that is the main token. So I head over to the Rpk token and wow, I found out that they rewarded me with 100 Rpk. So immediately I saw it, I was like, wow, this is a bit small. So I was about to get angry. Then I went over to my CoinMarketCap to check the actual price. And as you can see in CoinMarketCap, the price for each token is below 10 cents, so it's around 0.03781. Then I found out that the initial price, the main price of what they actually gave to me, is around 3.78 cents. So I was about to get angry, and then something happened, something scrolled my mind. And I went over to their Telegram community to see what people are saying and what the community headers are replying then. And this particular message got my attention, and that is one of the things I'm now trying to show you guys in this video. It says, and I quote, "First airdrop will happen on November 28th. We are dropping 10 million Rpk to your app wallet as a thank you reward to our community and that have been with us over the last few months. It will be based on your SP ties, and everyone with bronze, silver and diamond gold will be eligible. About a week after that daily reward airdrop will start, and it will be based on the ratio of your XP. This will keep on running, and we aim to drop 20 million Rpk over. That is 20 million Rpk over to the community over the month of December. So that means this particular, let me just break it down to you guys. This particular airdrop that we just received, you got to log into your account to know, update your app to know how many XP was given to you. So they mean that they are not done yet. We are still going to be. That means what you have to do now, at least you have known that these people are mean for business. They are actually going to reward their airdroppers. What you have to do now is not to be checking how much you are giving. All you need to do now is to try your best to accumulate more of the XP points, because they said that they are still going to airdrop more. So what you have to do is to try your best to accumulate more. Get ready on it, but don't do illegal things, because they are banning fake accounts and robotic accounts. So they say that they are going to airdrop us more based on our SP amount. So what will really be our main concern in this particular project and app now, when you are still trying to earn it by airdrop, apart from those people that will buy it and wait for the bull run to earn money from it, is for just doing the daily things like log in daily, give something like 5 likes, just like I'm about to give right now. I'm about to give up to 5 likes and I will earn from it. So this is it. I think I've gotten 5 likes now, and then if I go over to my notification tab and then I will refresh it, I will receive the 5 likes per day and other things that follows it. So we try our best to accumulate more, so that every week, daily, they're going to be rewarding us based on some percentage of our XP points amount. So this is one thing you need to do. Then later on, maybe within the next year or whatever, they're going to unlock a way for us to actually withdraw it and sell it. Remember, this is airdrop, and they're not gonna give it to you easy peasy, because if they give it to you outside like that, everybody is going to sell out and the project is surely going to die. So that is why they are trying their best to control how the airdroppers are going to trade their token so that it will not dump the token in a jiffy. So why doing these ones and then waiting for the initial withdrawals? I would like to draw you guys' attention to the other projects that is more even legit than this one. This particular one, like this particular Satoshi app, which I'm showing you guys now, it have been proven to make a lot of people money in a very simple way. All you have to do is to make sure that you're mining the project. And for those of you that are mining the project, especially those of you that are my downliners and you're not taking it serious, I'm kind of feeling sorry for you in advance, because once this particular project launch, you will regret not taking it serious. Try your best to go ahead and receive your token by clicking on this particular claim button every single time you log into your account. And make sure you log into your account at least once or twice in a day, since it takes 1 hour to give you one block. And remember, once you receive up to 25 blocks once you get up to 25 blocks without actually receiving it to your wallet, try your possible best to log into your account and receive your token, so that when it reach 25 blocks, they're not going to block it for you, because once your accounts reach 25 blocks on claim round of airdrop and you didn't claim it, automatically they are going to lock it. They're going to stop your airdrop from giving to you because you are now inactive. So try your best to receive it. And if you go over to my account, I'm so far so good. I've gotten around 3,057 pieces of it. I'm not stopping there. I'm going to take it more serious to receive it anytime that I had a chance to go over to my account. I'll not even wait for it to reach 24 hours. I'll try my best to receive it, so that once they unlock the withdrawal tab and other things, I'm going to earn at least my target is around 20,000 pieces of this particular one, so that whenever they unlock any amount of it that they are going to unlock for us, I'm going to make a good amount of money. I don't know for you guys, but I'm really going to make a good amount of money from this particular project called OpenEX. I made around $200 something from actually selling my little core. I didn't have up to 200 core, but yet I made a good amount of money from it. Then compared to this particular one that I've already gotten 3,057 pieces, so don't miss out. And another one is a particular one called over protocol. So every single day I came over to my account and claim my daily reward, and then after claiming my daily reward, that is the XP points, also I will go ahead and answer their quiz. To answer the quiz here is very simple. All I have to do is to click on start today's quiz, and then I will go ahead to my Google account and then click on screen translate for me to actually use the expo to get it. And what I have to do now is to go ahead and copy this particular which was the quiz, and then select my Google search over here, then search for it in Google. And I will see someone making a YouTube video on it already. Then what I have to do now is to go over to my account and answer it. So today's answer is, I think, is transaction tips. And then if I click on it, you will see that they now told me that great job, that I nailed it. And if you log in 7 days, they're going to give you extra 300 points for it. So as you can see, I just got this 300 points. So this particular project is very strong and legit. So what you have to do is try your best to go ahead and start earning this particular project. For in case you don't know about it, I made a full detailed YouTube video on it on YouTube, so try your best to watch this particular video about this particular over protocol, and then click on this particular. Don't forget to like it while watching it, and then subscribe for more updates. I think I'm done with this particular video, and I hope you guys got value from it. If you got value from it, don't forget to subscribe, drop your like, and even tell me whatever you think about anything I said in my video. And with this I said, see you guys on my next video. Remember, my name is Rpk, and this is Rpk Crypto. So once again, be profitable and try your best to participate in any good projects. See you guys once again. Bye.